Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to say, sorry, I know I haven't really been posting that much. I've just been kind of crazy. I mean, my life's been crazy. I mean, I've also been kind of crazy, but not the point. And I'm sure none of you even care that I haven't been posting, but whatever. I feel like apologizing that I haven't been posting. So now I'm going to post, and I have a video that I probably should have posted 2 weeks ago because now it's kind of late, but whatever. So here's my video. Enjoy it. Okay, bye. So we're out here surprising my grandma with a brand new Mercedes. Literally feel like David Dobrik. Thank you, Titan Motor Group, for sponsoring this video. So Dad, being the sponsor behind this video and this brand new Mercedes, how excited are you?
I'm excited!
Woohoo!
Can't wait. You're so excited.
How do you feel, Jed?
I'm so excited for my mother-in-law.
Hello, everybody. Mother.
Come on.
Okay.
Hello, Grandma.
I wish somebody would have told me that someday these will be the good old days. All the
What's your
love
Mercedes
you
convertible?
won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. Someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the
Well, come on,
magic
come
of
sit in it.
I was thinking about the band. I was thinking
Put
about
up
the
the
band.
heat.
Damn!
Underground.
Come on, you gotta get a picture of that.
In a small club
I
in
never
Minnesota.
got a call with a
Snow outside
bow
the
on.
first time. One of my name and a star.
Love you,
Look where we
Grandma.
at, still growing up. Still growing up. I would lay in my bed and dream about what I'd become. Couldn't wait to get older. Couldn't wait to be some. Now that I'm here, wishing I was still young.
All right, don't have a heart attack.
I wish somebody would have told me, babe, that someday these would be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. 'Cause someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of the good old days.
Wish I didn't think I had the answers. Wish I didn't drink all the
Oh my God.
to homecoming. Got up the courage to ask her. Wish I would have gotten out of my show. Wish I put the bottle back on that shelf. Wish I wouldn't have worried about what other people thought and felt comfortable with myself. Rooftop.
Go, shawty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Danny Valentino. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Sing